In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use wildcard searches in Jira Advanced Search with JQL. If you've ever searched Jira for one exact word and missed related issues because the wording was slightly different, this walkthrough will help. Wildcard searching makes it much easier to find issue summaries, descriptions, and other text fields when you only know part of a word or when spelling may vary. Jira's advanced search uses JQL or Jira Query Language, and once you know a few key operators, your searches become much more precise and efficient. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. After you reach the main Jira dashboard, go to the top navigation bar, open Filters, and choose View All Issues or Advanced Issue Search depending on your layout. This opens the main search workspace where you can build and run issue queries. When the search page loads, it may open in the basic visual filter mode first. If that happens, look to the right side of the filter bar and click Go to JQL. If you already see a blank text input for writing a query, then you're already in the right place. And the goal here is to switch into the advanced search editor so you can type JQL directly. Before using wildcards, it's important to know one core rule. In Jira, exact comparison operators such as the equal sign are not used for partial text matching. For text search, you need the contains operator, which is written with a tilde. That operator tells Jira to search within text rather than look for an exact value match. For a single character wildcard, use a question mark inside quotation marks. For example, type summary tilde, then T question mark T inside quotes. This lets Jira match words like text, test, or any other variation where only one character changes in that position. For a multiple character wildcard, use an asterisk. A good example is searching the description field for words beginning with compute. Typing description tilde compute asterisk in quotes will return results such as compute, computing, or computer. You can also combine wildcard text searches with other conditions. For example, you can search within one project, limit results by status, and then match a partial word in the summary. This is where operators like AND become especially useful for narrowing large result sets. If you don't want to write the syntax manually, you can also use Jira's built-in AI search tools, if available in your environment. Enter a natural language request, and Jira can translate it into JQL for you. Finally, check the query bar for a green validation indicator and confirm the issue list looks correct. If everything is right, save the filter with a clear name so you can reuse it later. That's it, and thanks for watching.